Our one-bedroom residences set new standards in efficient design, with less than 5% circulation space. The generously sized living room creates an open, airy sanctuary bathed in natural light, while meticulously planned kitchen perfectly balances functionality with comfort, ideal for both family living and entertaining. A sophisticated walk-in closet adds both luxury and practicality, while the expansive terrace extends your living space outdoors, offering far more room than typical terraces for relaxation or entertainment. Our two-bedroom residences build on these design principles, offering an additional ensuite bedroom complete with its own walk-in closet. An elegant foyer creates a welcoming first impression while thoughtfully separating the living area from the kitchen, ensuring privacy and seamless flow throughout. The extended terrace provides an exceptional outdoor retreat, perfect for hosting gatherings or simply enjoying the riverside atmosphere.